G'day gang, let's make some Greek yogurt sauces. Let's start by addressing the difference between Greek yogurt and Greek style yogurt. Greek yogurt should have two ingredients in it, that is a milk and a probiotic live culture. Through a process of repetitive straining, the whey and other liquids are removed. Because of this straining process, Greek yogurt uses a lot more milk than other yogurts, informing its price point. Greek style yogurt, on the other hand, will have a longer ingredient list. One of these ingredients is some sort of thickener, be that a milk solid or even a gelatin. It shortens or bypasses the straining process, using less milk and taking less time. Because of this, it is cheaper, but it also has a little more sugar that would have been removed in that straining process. But which should you use? Well, the answer is really whichever you can afford. Don't let some foodie tell you that you should only ever use authentic Greek yogurt when Greek style yogurt is a more than suitable substitute. It's what we use at home because we've got two young boys who eat like ravenous bears and they don't really care about how authentically it has been made. Alright, with that out of the way, let's make some sauces. Into a bowl, add 1 cup of Greek yogurt, the zest and juice of half a lemon, and 2 finely chopped or minced cloves of garlic. A good squirt of olive oil, mix to combine, and that is it. Simple, right? It certainly is. It goes great on a salad or with some fish, but from this we can build some more complex and fun sauces. So repeat that process, and then to it we will add half a cup of finely chopped mint leaves, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. We mix to combine, and that is it. This sauce goes great with some chicken or lamb, some pita bread as well. Alright, moving on. For our next sauce, again we start the same way, but instead of a lemon we are going to zest and squeeze half of a lime. To that we'll add a good squirt of olive oil and a teaspoon of honey. Then half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, a pinch of salt, and that is it. Now this smoky sauce is great with fries or wedges or roast veggies. With those 3 sauces made, it leaves us with half a cup of yogurt left behind. So I thought we'd have a go at making a Greek yogurt bang bang sauce. So to a bowl, add your half a cup of Greek yogurt, to which we'll add 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 2 teaspoons of sriracha, and 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. Give it a mix and give it a taste. Now, what was this like? Was it as good as regular mayonnaise bang bang sauce? No, I don't think so, but it was still very, very good and an absolutely fine substitute if you're found without any mayonnaise. So there you have it, 4 very simple Greek yogurt sauces. If you're going to garnish, you can garnish the first with a bit of parsley, the smoky lime with a bit of the smoked paprika, and the yum yum I went with some dots of sriracha. Enjoy! Bye!